right, I have put in the rebuilt MAF. Today is, my glasses on, but it's September 20th. I put it in September 18th and got good results, so I went back and put the exhaust configuration that I wanted on the car originally. Long story short, I had magnaflow 40s and no resonators, and it was just way too loud, and also a gutted cat. And I went back and forth with cat, with not cat, and long story short, I tried right now this configuration and I like it. I have the cat back on, that's not gutted, so it's, I guess, legal. And I still have the 40s Flowmasters, and then I have magnaflow glass packs duals for like a resonator, and it is sounds very good. I'm very happy with it. It's not too loud. It's dropped it from 114 to 115 decibels at idle to, I think it's 95 to 97. So that is so much better. I can actually hear what's going on. So it's very cold out today. Well, I shouldn't say very cold. It's warmed up a little bit. It's in the 60s right now. But that's where we got. Has a nice little growl to it. It doesn't sound like a beater truck with the 40s only. I really like it now. Compared, so just need to drive it around a little bit and make sure that it's not stuffed and causing shifting problems. I noticed that my shifting fluid was at the minimum level, so probably would be a good idea to heat it up in another day. Not today. I'm tired of bringing this car up in the air and just filling it up. I don't know how much fluid you need to, I did it 10 years ago to make it back up to the, well, I should say it's not at minimum, it's at low. So I'd like to get it to minimum. But anyway, this is it. I think my MAF is good. Interior sound is at 81, 82. And I'm happy with that. Before it was in the high 90s. This is with the windows down. And me talking, so it's probably spiking a little bit. Or not. So yeah, this is Radio Shack. So signing off. I'll give any other updates as things change. But I think right now I'm happy until something else goes wrong. Bye.